Hey everyone, I'm Kevin. Today in the Victory 4x4 garage, I'm going to walk you through a quick installation of our blind spot monitor relocation brackets on a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. Once you've made it to this point, you've already seen Daryl make the cut as well as do a little bit of factory component disassembly and removal. This is where you'll want to find your blind spot monitor relocation brackets so that we can get this moved up and out of the way, back behind the factory plastic fascia so that our steel bumper can be installed. You want to start off by removing the sensor from its factory bracket location. For that, you can press in on the tab here on the electrical connector and pull down to get it disconnected. Then you'll need a 10mm socket to remove the 3 nuts, one of which might be a little tough to see here, but is in the center up top that hold this in place. Make sure you're holding on to the sensor as you remove that final nut because you do not want to drop or damage this. And then it should just slide out and down away from that bracket. With the sensor removed, you can now bolt it onto the new bracket using 3 of the 1/4-20 hex head bolts from your bolt pack. For that, you're going to want a bolt and a washer on the outside and the flanged nylock nut on the back side of this bracket. You want to have the bracket in the correct orientation as you're getting the sensor installed. So for that, you'll just be looking for this small side cutout that is going to go in toward the center of the vehicle. Then you'll just need a 7/16 wrench and socket to tighten this up. Then with your assembled bracket and sensor, you can grab those 3 factory nuts again, slide this up into place, and then you're just lining it up with those factory studs on the factory bracket, reinstalling these and tightening them up. Now you're going to need to gain a little bit of slack in this wire harness so that you can reconnect it to the sensor up here. For that, you'll just remove the 2 clips from the body down here. You'll need to kind of swing it in behind that lower mounting tab, and that should give you plenty of slack to slide this back up and reconnect it up at the sensor. If you're wondering what to do with the wire harness now, you're just going to want to secure it in a way that it's kind of tied up tight and is not rubbing on any hard metal edges. This is all going to be tucked in behind the bumper, so it's already pretty well protected. You can kind of do one of 2 things here. You can either cut the electrical tape that holds these little clips on. You could relocate the lower one and then actually put it back in the factory cutout down here. Or kind of the quick, simple, easy thing to do is just grab zip ties, which most of us probably already have. Make sure you're happy with the amount of slack on either side of it and just cinch it tight down there. Obviously, go ahead and cut off the excess, and then again, it's up to you if you want to cut these old tabs off or just leave them in place because they will be hidden. Once you've done that, you can take your remaining bracket, jump over to the driver's side, and kind of repeat the same process to get that one installed, and then continue on with your rear bumper installation. So that's all there is to getting these installed. Pretty quick and easy. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always email us at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.